This is Martin. He's got himself a seagull. The bloke's fishing lures. Say hi.
Hello. Bloody stupid creatures. Well, boys, at least I caught something.
Beat Dave.
Hey, can you give me a hand instead of taking fucking video footage? You know, like... Yeah. Did they throw bait in the water? Is that why all those seagulls suddenly came around?
Oh my.
Will you stop doing that?
How fast, Mag? This is for you.
Right.
Oh no, he's gonna kill it! No! Man, look you for a sec. Thanks.
Stop there, you pillock.
Don't cut his feet off. Well released.
No worries.
You catch and release technique.
Oh,
like this
piss off.
Martin Humphreys fishing out from Team Cactus Tide. He's jigging soft plastics. Think he's got, what do you got, Martin?
I think I got an atomic white 2-inch grub there.
Y'all got them
Chuck?
2-inch flat tail grub?
Yep.
Let's see how Martin's working this.
We just gonna give it a little twitch like so.
What sort of gear you using, Martin?
Well, I'm using my own rod. It's a 2 to 3 kilo Pacific Composites, 100% graphite little rod, and we got some 10-pound. I think it's a 10-pound braid on there. It's a little bit big for this rod, but we ain't got nothing here.
What y'all chasing today, Mr. Martin Humphreys?
We're chasing, trying to find us some GT truffles, some Giant Trevally.
Yeah.
Not quite small at the moment around these parts, but you know, they're a lot of fun to catch. And as you'll see, hopefully I can just snag one up right here for you. And if I can do that, I'll be real happy. And yeah, but at the moment they're a little bit on the quiet side. For some reason they ain't touching my little white-tailed grub. And holy shit, there's a sick fish on the surface over there. Come on, boy. You take this grub. We gotta go.
We all come back soon. We all back, Mr. Humphreys hooked up. What you got?
I think I got one of them GTs.
One of them GTs? Have a look, there he is. About a kilo.
Yeah. Grab him here. I'll show you what he looks like. He's gonna kind of come down.
Hold him up for the camera first.
There he is.
Hold him up a little bit higher. That's a beautiful little fish.
Little face, little GT right there. Good little fighter.
Eagles fly on the mountains high. Lovely does where we belong.
Still a little bit of background music on for you.
Okay, thanks.
To the world.
Is he coming back? Okay. Is he gone for it or what?
Cold wind blows.
Big girls, blah.
There he goes.
Ooh, dropped it.
Too heavy.